I'd like to bring your attention to this statue over here. That is Nataraja. And Nataraja is a depiction of Lord Shiva in his cosmic dance form. A lot of us know that Nataraja's dance, known as Tandava, symbolizes the cosmic cycles of creation and destruction. It represents the rhythmic movement of the universe and the eternal flow of energy. It is not just a statue with Lord Shiva dancing, but every aspect of it means something more spiritual. The upper right hand holds the Damaru, symbolizing the sound of creation or the heartbeat of the universe. The upper left hand holds fire, usually in the form of a flame, symbolizing destruction or the dissolution of the universe. The lower right hand is Abhay Mudra. It goes this way, offering protection and reassurance to devotees. The lower left hand points towards the uplifted foot, symbolizing refuge for the troubled souls. The aureole or Prabhamandala surrounding Nataraja symbolizes the cosmic energy and the universe. It signifies the divine manifestation of Shiva's dance, encompassing the entire cosmos within the boundaries. Beneath Nataraja's feet, you would see a small demon who symbolizes ignorance and illusion. Shiva's act of dancing on this demon represents the triumph of divine knowledge over ignorance and the liberation of the soul from worldly illusion. The raised left leg of Nataraja symbolizes release and liberation, which is called moksha. It signifies the grace of Shiva bestowing liberation upon his devotees. You also see a snake around Nataraja's neck, representing Kundalini energy, which is coiled at the base of the spine. Its presence indicates that Nataraja is the master of primal energy, capable of awakening spiritual consciousness and enlightenment. Overall, Nataraja is the Lord of Dance, embodies the cosmic cycles of creation, preservation, and destruction. Interestingly, CERN, which is a European organization for nuclear research in Geneva, has a 6.5 feet Nataraja statue. For modern physics, Shiva's dance is a dance of elementary particles. The dancing Indian god, representing the cosmic cycle of creation and destruction, also portrays the dynamics of subatomic particles. Dance of subatomic particles is a metaphor for the constant energy dance and process of creation and destruction that occurs within subatomic particles and atoms. That's so fascinating. Shiva's statue at CERN represents a cultural gesture celebrating connection between spirituality and scientific endeavors. I'm super thrilled and particularly very, very excited for all of you to witness and enjoy this next beautiful composition. It's called a Swarajati. It's a special dance piece that combines rhythmic footwork, graceful hand gestures, and expressive facial expressions to tell multiple stories and convey varied emotions. I want to give you a snippet about this song so as to understand the depth of this performance. The song starts with describing Nilayadakshi Amba, a form of the Hindu goddess Parvati. The name Nilayadakshi translates to one with blue eyes or blue-eyed goddess. The goddess is often depicted with blue eyes, symbolizing her beauty and grace. She is considered a form of Shakti, the divine feminine energy, and is worshipped for her protective and nurturing qualities. The second part of the song describes the story of Abhirami Bhattar. In the small town of Tirukadayur, Tamil Nadu, in India, lived a deeply devoted man named Subramaniam, who revered goddess Abhirami to the extent that he saw her in every woman, causing dismay among the town's women by his fervent adorations. On a new moon day, his devoutness led to misunderstanding with the king Sarfoji, who was visiting the temple. Mistaking the day for a full moon due to his vision of the goddess so radiantly bright, Subramaniam was sentenced by the king to be lowered into a fire unless the moon actually appeared. Unperturbed, he composed and sang hymns in praise of goddess Abhirami. And as he reached his 79th hymn, the goddess manifested and threw her earring over the sky such that it shone with bright light upon the horizon, transforming her earrings into a moon, saving Subramaniam and humbling the king. Subramaniam was henceforth known as Abhirami Bhattar, and his hymns, the Abhirami Andadi, became a celebrated piece of devotional poetry believed to fulfill the dreams of devotees when recited on new and full moon days. The third section describes the goddess Amba, whose voice is like honey and lives in Madurai. It goes to describe the story of how Manmada played Cupid for Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. Legend has it that Manmada, the god of love and desire, once aimed his love arrow at Lord Shiva, who at the time was in deep meditation in the Himalayas. Shiva, having renounced worldly attachments and immersed in profound meditation, was unaware of Manmada's presence and his intentions. Manmada, guided by his desire to disrupt Shiva's meditation and rekindle his interest in worldly affairs, shot his flower arrows at Shiva. Shiva, disturbed by Manmada's interference during his meditation, opens his third eye in anger. The fire emitted from his third eye incinerates Manmada into ashes. Moved by Manmada's sacrifice and understanding the importance of love and cosmic balance, goddess Parvati persuades Shiva to revive Manmada. Shiva relents, and Manmada is resurrected, albeit a non-physical form, signifying that love and desire are essential aspects of human existence, but should be controlled and channeled appropriately. And finally, the song ends by requesting the goddess, who blessed Lord Manmada, who removed all obstacles, who is expert in music, to come and shower her blessings. Let's now enjoy this beautiful Swarajati.
ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಕ ಜಂ ತಕ ತಾರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ದೀಂ ತದಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಕ ಜಂ ತಕ ತಾರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ತೋಂ ತದಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಕ ಜಂ ತಕ ತಾರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ನಂ ತದಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಕ ಜಂ ತಕ ತಾರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ತಾಂ ತದಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ತಾ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತೈ ತಾಂ ತದಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ ಜನು ತಕ ತಾಂ ತಕ ದೀಂ ತಕ ತೋಂ ತಕ ನಂ ತಕ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ ತದಿಂಗಿನ ತೋಂ
ನೀಲಯದಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅಂಬ ದೀನರಕ್ಷಕಿ 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 ನೀಲಯದಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅಂಬ
ತದಿಕಿಟ ತುಂ ದೀನು ತದಿಮಿ ತಾಗ ತಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕ ಜಂ ತಕಣಂ ತದಿಂ ತಕಡಗಡ ತದೀನು ತದಿಮಿ ತಾಗ ತಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕ ಜಂ ತಕಣಂ ತದಿಂ ತಕಡಗಡ ದೀನು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ತತ ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಜೋನು ತತ ಜೋನು ತದಿಮಿ ತತ ದೀನು ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಡಗದಂ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಡಗದಂ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಡಗದಂ ದೀನು ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಡಗದಂ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಡಗದಂ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಡಗದಂ ದೀನು ದಿಮಿತ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಡಗದಂ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಡಗದಂ ದಿಮಿತ ಕಡಗದಂ
ಮಂಜೂಷಿಣಿ ಮಾನ ಮಧುರ ವಾಸಿನಿ ಮಂಜೂಷಿಣಿ ಮಾನ ಮಧುರ ವಾಸಿನಿ ಮಂಜೂ ಮಧುರಾವಾಸಿನಿ ಮಂಜುಭಾಷಿನಿ ಮಧುರಾವಾಸಿನಿ ಮಂಜುಭಾಷಿನಿ సమయము వినుమా నన్ను బ్రోవ సమయము వినుమా నన్ను గరి స గమ గమ పప పద సా ని ద ప మ గమ పప సా గరి స సమ గమ పప పద సా ని ద ప మ గమ పప ప పాలిని కరుణా సాగరి కలుషహారిణి శివ శంకరి కామకాలిని కరుణా సాగరి కలుషహారిణి శివ శంకరి కామకాలిని కరుణా సాగరి కలుషహారిణి శివ శంకరి మగ పమగరి సగరి పని మగ మప నన్ను బ్రోవ సమయము వినుమా పప సని పమ పని పమగరి గమ పప మప పప సని పమ పని పమగరి గమ పప మప సంకటహారిణి సతాపాదిని శ్యామళ రూపిణి ఆనంద భైరవి సంకటరాశిని సతాపాదిని శ్యామళ రూపిణి ఆనంద భైరవి సంకటహారిణి సతాపాదిని శ్యామళ రూపిణి ఆనంద భైరవి మగ పమగరి సగరి పని పమగ మప సమయము వినుమా సమగమ సగరి గమ సాగరి గని పగమ పమగరి సగమ సాగరి సని సమాగరి సారి సని గని పని పమగమ పని మగ పమగరి సగరి పని పమగమ నన్ను బ్రోవ సమయము వినుమా సమగర వినోదిని కామకోటి పీఠవసిని మలయ మదసుదని నోచని కాసు శివలోక ఆదరకటి కామగాన వినోదిని కామకోటి పీఠవసిని మలయ మదసుదని నోచని కాసు శివలోక ఆదరకటి మగ పమగరి సగరి పని పమగ మప నన్ను బ్రోవ సమయము వినుమా నన్ను బ్రోవ సమయము వినుమా
That was a magnificent performance. Can you believe she's just 10 years old? She's just 10, folks. That item was 17 minutes long, filled with intricate jatis, expressions and emotions, all performed with remarkable precision. What I find most beautiful is how she conveyed such intense mythological stories with pure innocence at her young age. Let's all continue to savor that splendid performance while we take a 30-minute refreshment break. You can leave through the exits and go to the basement where refreshments will be served. I kindly request everyone to be back and be seated on time so we can continue with the rest of the performance.